Welcome back to our channel, French and Pinay Simple Life in the Philippines. Thank you for always watching our videos or Simple Life here in Bohol, Philippines. I hope that all of you are doing well. So in this video, I would just like to share you guys the event during our Purok evaluation 2 days ago. So you can see the members of our Purok. So for those who are not familiar, what is a Purok? It is an informal division within the barangay in the Philippines. So a municipality is composed of barangays, and barangays are divided also into a Purok system. So although a Purok is not really officially considered as an a part of the government, because in the Philippines the official smallest government unit in the Philippines is the barangay, but there are purok within the barangay so that it will be easier and to deliver the services and administration. So a purok is managed by the barangay captain, and each purok has a purok leader also. So here in our purok, we are in purok 6 because there are 6 purok in our barangay, and we are in purok 6, and we have we are 41 members. I mean 41 households. So I don't know how many people, but for the households there are 41. So purok evaluation, like what happened where I attended 2 days ago. So there are people coming from the municipal hall to evaluate how the purok is doing. So they check because a purok, each purok should have a project or are encouraged to do gardening, to perform waste management. So at least the people, especially in the very deep provinces, they will be aware also of how the proper, like for example, for the waste management, at least the people can be taught of how to segregate properly the garbage and encouraged to um, do gardening. So I hope that people will also apply what they learned in Purok to their own house, because gardening is really a very good um, it is really good to encourage the people for gardening or to plant vegetables on their house, because it's very very important to support also their daily need. And also the purok evaluator from the municipal hall, they also check the records of the purok. Like for example, the minutes of the meeting, if the purok leader um, do her job to conduct monthly meetings. So we have a one meeting per month. So they check also the records. They also check how the livelihood program of the purok is doing. So for the livelihood program here in our purok, they invest for a pig, and then the pig will be taken care of someone who is interested within the members. And after that, the system is to, when the pig give birth, the owner need to pay, the one who take care need to give back 2 piglets to the purok so that other people can also take care of it. After that, after the person who take care of the pig can repay 2 piglets, so he will be the real owner of the pig, of the mother pig. So it's a very nice experience to be with the Purok members, especially that I am not really from here. So because I am not originally from Bohol, I am from Cebu. So it's a challenge also to really get to know well our neighborhood. So before I only know a few people, so now I am familiar. Although I don't really memorize all the names, but uh, it's nice to see them gathering together, and it's very nice to learn the the purok because I left our hometown so early when I was 16 years old, and I don't have the chance to enjoy the purok system in our hometown. So I work in Cebu City for many years, and I never joined a purok there. So that's all for this video. So after that, we shared the food that we contributed, and we enjoyed the food together.
Uy, kalami sa food. Tarong hati. Sinday mo na.
Sa batay nga sa lopen.